Pipeline company is training its eyes on an ambitious regional expansion strategy under its Vision 2025. The plan aims to transforming the state corporation into Africa's premier oil and gas company as it targets to widen its business focus on the continent. KPC's new CEO, Joe Sang, paid a courtesy call to Standard Group CEO Sam Shollei and on the sidelines spoke to KTN's Keitany about KPC's 10-year strategy.
The discovery of significant oil and gas resources has raised economic hopes of Kenya's oil and gas sector. Given its strategic position, the Kenya Pipeline Company has developed a 10-year strategic plan to expand operation to 10 other African countries as the pipeline company positions itself to leverage on the emerging oil and gas sector.
We are looking to be Africa's premier oil and gas company. And the key projects, we are at the moment executing $600 million projects. The big one, of course, is the replacement of Mombasa-Nairobi line.
The company is targeting business in Burundi, DRC, Ethiopia, Malawi, Rwanda, Somalia, South Sudan, Uganda, Zambia, and Tanzania, including Zanzibar, under the 2025 strategic plan. To this end, the Kenya Pipeline Company is seeking a consultant to conduct a visibility study to inform this strategy.
The market penetration strategies will be different for different markets. Yeah, the way you move to Uganda will be different from how you approach South Sudan, for example.
The consultant will be tasked with undertaking a visibility study on the pipeline, liquefied petroleum gas, truck loading depots, lake vessels, jetties, storage, fiber optic, and related businesses.
We are dealing with an inflammable product, so it's very, very safe to transport product using a pipeline. And then number two, it's cheaper.
KPC, which owns and operates a 1,221-kilometer pipeline network running from Mombasa to Eldoret and Kisumu through Nairobi, also plans to expand its storage capacity by constructing substations in some counties and border towns. Keitany, KTN Business.